Hello everyone, this is Vishaka here. Today I will gonna explain you what is the law of supply. So here we'll go with a few topics. One is the definition, brief explanation, where and when we can use this law of supply, advantages, limitation, and some numerical questions which is help us out to understand a more better way of a law of supply. So definition. The law of a supply is a microeconomic law that states that all the other factors being equally as per the price of the goods or the services increase, the quantity of the goods and services that the supply offer will also increase, and the vice versa. Following are the technologies, which is terminologies which we are used while expressing the law of supply. So, quantity supply we denote as a QS, and the price we denote as a P. Explanation about the topic. So, law of supply show that the product behavior at the time of the change in the price of the goods and the services. So we can say when the price of the goods rise, when the price of the goods will increase, the supply is also increased in order to earn the profit because of the high prices. So following this is one of the diagram which is help us out to understand a more better way the supply of law of supply. So we can see in the same when the price of P3 increase, the price of the quantity is also increase. When the price of P when the price of a P increase, the quantity is also increase. When the price of the P1 increase, the quantity is also increase. So when the price will increase, the quantity is also increase. When the price will decrease, the quantity is also decrease. This is what the law of supply. When, where and when it can use, the law of supply summarize the effective price change have the product behavior. For example, if we have a business and we manufacturing TV or in car, so if the production will increase, the price of the product is also increased. So TV produced are increased to the product more of them. Advantages. The supply side economic is also aimed to decrease regulation, which is a cost, low business cost, and remove the government restrictions, enabling the companies to create a more volume. Second advantages is the stimulate growth in the economic, which offset the cost of decreasing the tax rate and utilize rise government tax revenues. So as there are some advantages, we can check with some other limitations also. There are some rare things that the supply of which is limited and inelastic. In case of a price increase, the supply cannot be increased. Such as a picture of as well-known artist, respect of the price. If the selling thing that there is a possibility of future changes in the price, then the law will not operate it. Here we'll check with some numericals. The law of a supply states that the other things remain the same of the product rising as the price rise, and the fall it is the price falls. So here we have a four values. If the price of the product is 6 rupees, the quantity supply has become 3000. If the price is 7, the quantity will increase by 4000. If the price we considered 8 rupees, the quantity is also increased by 5000. So this numerical shows that whenever the price of the product will increase, the quantity of the supply is also increases. Thank you so much.